Let me give you 3 reasons why you need to make this asparagus tempura sushi at home. Number 1, veg sushi over non-veg sushi any day, and that's coming from me, a certified non-veg lover. Number 2, why spend 1000 rupees for 4 pieces of sushi when you can make a whole platter at home for less than half the price? And number 3, this asparagus tempura sushi is my absolute favorite. It's crispy, super flavorful, cheesy, and honestly just too good. And I'm using nori sheets from Urban Platter. They add that classic umami, slightly salty flavor that makes your sushi taste authentic and complete. So save this now and tell me in the comments, are you a sushi lover? And if yes, what's your favorite sushi?